So I mainly have 3 synth sounds over here. This is the so-called Hammond part, which is actually coming from Diva, another Yuhi synth. Let's see, let's have a listen to this by itself. So you can hear the sidechain compression going on there. So that's layered with the higher pitched, another zebra sound. This one comes in a bit later. I'll play them together. And let's also hear the little arp that happens in the middle. So you can hear there's a very obvious build because all these filters and volume automation, all these things are kind of implying that. Let's talk a little bit about some of these other elements. I have noise sweep happening over here. It's a long build. One interesting thing that I did, which I normally don't do, is I added a little sub drop over here. So if you listen to the whole tune over here,
You sing da-da-da-dee-doo.
I don't know if you could hear that maybe on headphones or on full range speakers, but that sub frequency low kind of like sounds like a bass player is kind of sliding down his fretboard. So it also implies a little drop over here because there's a short silence. You just hear the snare and then it goes right into the drop. I'll play that section again. Now that silence, generally if you have a lot of synths and a lot of reverb and all that stuff going on, you won't really get that silence, so you'll have to go in and automate these things out. I did make sure that the notes are not doing anything, but sometimes the reverb kind of lingers on. So I just had to go into my reverb and then just automate the volume down on that. Same for the filter delay that I have happening over here. So sometimes silence like this really works well. So that's that. Let's see what else. Let's talk about the vocals, because I think the most complex part of the entire tune is the vocals.